get the kitchen set you want for less online. The kitchen is an area of your home where you need to have plenty of cookware and utensils available. Yet when you go shopping for such items you may be in shock at the cost of them. You don't want to settle for cheap cookware either, as it won't last. It can also prevent your food from coming out the way you want it to. You can get the kitchen set you want for less online though than you can buy it locally. All you have to do is spend some time looking around. The selection you find locally may be very limited as well. You don't want to compromise when it comes to your kitchen set. The internet definitely has more selection than what you will find in various stores around your area. Once you have identified the type of set you want, you can spend some time doing research. Reading reviews by other consumers will help you to narrow down your list. You can find out what the pros and cons are of any brand that is offered out there. This information is important as you never want to be disappointed by the performance of the kitchen set you purchase.